Hello all, welcome to my channel at Direct Test with Akshay. In this tutorial, we will see how to download and install the Eclipse for Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. Before going further, if you are the new user, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification for the coming videos. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, first you need to go on Chrome. I'll go to Chrome and you have to type here Eclipse. Eclipse. So you can see guys, the first website we got here, that is eclipse.org. You just have to simply click on this website eclipse.org, and you will get navigated to the Eclipse official website, that is eclipse.org. And here I'll click on the download button. You can see this download button. I'll click here and we got another section. You can see here there are two options, that is learn more and download x86_64. So guys, I will show you how to download it for Windows 10. If you are having the Windows 11, so don't worry, you can follow the same steps. Okay, as I'm downloading for Windows, I'll click here, download x86_64. So it will navigate it to another page. Okay, so it got navigated here. So you have to click on this download button. This is the download button. I'll click here. So Eclipse will start downloading. So you can see here in the download section, Eclipse started downloading. One download in progress. Okay. But guys, if you are having the Mac or Linux, I will tell you the position from where you can download it. So for downloading for Mac and like Linux, for Mac and Linux, you can just go to Eclipse org site. You have to click on this download button, and instead of downloading from here, you just have to click on learn more. And after that, this is the latest version, guys. Download 2023 hyphen 12. I'll click here. So you can see we got another portal or another page having the download option, three download option, that is download for Mac, download for Windows, and download for Linux. From here itself, you can download the Eclipse for the Windows. So for Mac, you can use this two option. For Linux, you can use this two option. But if your Mac is having the Intel or AMD processor, AMD 64-bit processor, you can simply go for this x86_64. Or if your Mac is having a M1 chip or like ARM processor, you can simply go for this ARC64. The same applies to Linux, guys. If your Linux is having AMD 64-bit processor, you can simply go with the first option. Or if your Linux is having ARM based processor, you can simply go and click on the second option to download the Eclipse. Okay, I think Eclipse got downloaded here, you can see. And after that, I will just install it. So we'll click on this .exe file. You just have to double click on this .exe file. I'll double click. So now the installation process will start, guys. You have to follow the instructions given on the portal. Means whatever the prompt it is showing, and whatever the prompts are there on the like what are the instructions are there in the prompt, you have to follow that instruction. So we'll follow those instructions. Okay. Okay. So guys, you can see we got this prompt first. On this prompt, there are several options are present, but we just have to go with Eclipse IDE for Java developers. I'll click here. And we got the another prompt. It is showing the Java 17 virtual machines. Means in our system, Java 17 is already present. JDK version 17 is present. And installation folder is, guys, this is the installation folder. That is C user IRG Eclipse. So this is the location where our Eclipse got installed. If you want to change the installation folder, you can just simply click on this icon and select the required folder, select the required installation folder. Now I will go with the same folder, and you guys no need to download the Java separately. In the latest version, Eclipse is coming with the Java. So that's why I haven't downloaded any Java separately. I'm just clicking on this install button. So it started installing. Based on your internet connection, guide, it will take the time. If your internet connection is very slow, it will take time. So make sure you have a good internet connection. So we'll wait for it. Okay, so you can see here it got installed properly. Now I'll click on this launch button. I'm clicking the launch button. So once I click on launch button, it is getting launched. So let me minimize this. Okay. So we got another prompt. It is asking us to select the directory or the workspace. Actually, it is a place, guys, where your Eclipse project will get stored. I mean, when you will guys will create the project in the Eclipse, the project will get stored at this position. So currently this workspace is a C user IRG and Eclipse workspace. So I'll change this workspace, guys. You can go with the default workspace. That is also completely fine. So, but I just want to change it. So I'll go to browse and I'll go to C drive, then user IRG, and instead of this Eclipse workspace, I just want to go with Eclipse workspace new and select folder. You guys can simply follow whatever the path it is giving if you are installing it for the first time. But actually on my PC already there is a old version of the Eclipse installed. I'm having the old version. So that's why just for the workspace, I changed the location here. But if you are downloading the Eclipse for the first time, you can simply go with the path, default path, whatever the Eclipse is showing. Okay, that's why I changed. So I'm just clicking on the launch button. You guys no need to change. Make sure. Then I'll click on this launch button. So it is getting launched. So sometimes it take times. Okay, you can see it got launched here. So this is the Eclipse home page or welcome page, we could say. I'm just maximizing. I'm closing this welcome tab here. So this is how, guys, you can just download and install the Eclipse. I'll show you how to write the first Java program. A very simple Java program I'll show you. For this, you have to create the Java project first. You can see there is no projects. I'll click on this file name, then new. Sorry, file name, new, and Java project. So this is asking for the name of the project. I'll give the name of my project that is Test with Akshay. Any name you can give. Then I'll click on this finish button. So we can see here this project we got the project. I'm just deleting this Java file .java. This is a default file, default class. I'm deleting this default class, and I'll create one class in this src folder. For this I have to click right click on the folder, src folder, then I'll go for new, and then I'll go for class. It is asking this is the position, guys, where you have to give the name of your class. I'll name my class as demo1, as this is the first demo, and make sure that the class name always starts with the capital letter. I'll click on the checkbox as I want the main method by default into my class. So I'll click on this finish. Okay, so you can see on the screen we got our first class, that is demo1, and by default this demo1 is having the main method. Okay, so I'll write the printing statement here. So in order to write the printing statement, you have to type SYS from the keyboard and you have to press the control button. Click the control button or press the control button and you have to press space. So it will show the options. It is not showing, guys. So we'll try with another shortcut. You have to click, you have to type SYSOUT and then control space. We got the printing statement here, guys. So in order to print, I'll write the statement here. Hi Akshay. Okay. Then I'll go for save. So in order to execute this program, guys, there are two options. There is a run button. You can simply click on this run button. I'll click here. Okay, program got executed in the console. You guys can see we got the Hi Akshay. Or second way, I just right click here. I'll I'll choose run as Java application. You can see second time also program got executed. We got the Hi Akshay, right? So this is how you can run the first Java program. So guys, don't worry about the notes. If you want the notes, please check the pin comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel for the coming videos. Okay, thank you.